this out, you guys. This is live Reolink footage of the job site where my freaking tractors are right now. I'll show you some time lapse of it and stuff, but isn't that freaking awesome? Wait till you see this camera that I got. All my whole cameras. Job site, all the cameras. See them all right from your business of your own truck. Careful! Alright. Check this out, boys. We got the old the Reolink set up. You know all about that, but look at what's this shot? Whoa, whoa, what do we got here? Hard to see in the reflection, but that might look like my tractor there. And then that's my tractor. Is this the job site, boys? Are we looking at the job site from foreign lands? That looks like we got the shot America on my phone. How is it even possible that we're doing that? How is that possible, boys? Well, I'm here to tell you, eh? I'm here to freaking tell you for a second here. I'll just shut that off because it's using data. Hey, we got the old data. Oh, there he is, boys. Oh, morning time. Excited?
Oh, of course I am.
Big time.
Ass hurts my fucking
No.
shirt.
Your vision? How's your vision?
That's fine.
Hurts? Oh, phew. At least your vision doesn't hurt. So that's where I put the camera. I got some time-lapse shots and everything. So yeah, that's the guy right there. 4K Reolink. You can aim it in all type of different directions. It's got a SIM card onto it. Of course, it's got a SD card too to save the footage and whatnot. But yeah, I'll put the link in the prescription, boys. Freaking keep an eye on the equipment on the job site. Eh? Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow, it is fucking freezing.